What really matters for today? Psalm 41, blessed is he that considers the poor. The Lord will deliver him in time of trouble. What we learn from this passage is that God acknowledges us when we are generous to others. He is also more willing to help us through trials if we're trying to help others through trials. Think about the story of Lazarus, the beggar, and the rich man. As Christians, we are to stand apart from the world, lending a helping hand. I pray that the next time an opportunity arises, that we will stop and help someone. Lord, give us bigger hearts to see other people and to be willing to help them. Help us love those in need and do things out of kindness with our heart. Help us to be more generous. Help us to be more willing to pray with and be there for those in need of comfort and peace. Life is a miserable thing if all we have is ourselves. We need each other. We need to know that we can count on each other. And that's what really matters for today in a minute from the Church of Christ that meets in Leoma, Tennessee.